Now beta question number 5. Find the sum of first 51 terms. It means n is equal to given 51. Whose second and third term? Second means t2 is equal to given 14. A plus d is equal to 14. Third term t3 a plus 2d, that is given 18. Take this is first, this is second, 1 minus 2, a plus d, a plus 2d, 14 18. Now by subtracting change the sign, cancelled, d minus 2d minus d, 14 minus 18 minus 4, so d is equal to 4. Now put in 1 means a plus 4 is equal to 14. A 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Now you got a also, d also. Now s 51 by 2, 2a plus 50d. Now by take this solution, please do this, simplify this and get the answer. Now question number 6. The sum of 7 terms means S7. Given sum of first 7 terms is equal to 49. This means 7 by 2, 2a, 6d, 49, 2a plus 6d, 49 into 2 over 7, 14. So this means a plus 3d, cancel by 2, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 7s are. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is the question number 1. Same way beta, next sum of first 17 terms, S17, 17 by 2, 2a, 16d, that is given 289. Again simplify this, 2a, 16d, 289 into 2 over 17, 17 17s are, so 2a plus 16d, 34. Again cancel with 2, a plus 8d, 17. This is the question number 2. Now 1 minus 2, a plus 3d is equal to 7, a plus 8d, 17. Change the signs, cancelled, minus 5d, 7 minus 17 minus 10. So d 10 over 5, minus minus cancels, by 2s are 10. So d beta is equal to 2. Now again put in 1 and find the value of a. Put in 1, see here, where is 1? A plus 3d. So a plus 3 2s are 6, 7, a 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So a 1 d 2. See now he is saying find the sum of first n terms. N is not given, so insert the value of a and d. S n, n by 2, 2a, n minus 1 into d. N not given, 2a, a is 1, n minus 1, 2, n by 2, 2 plus n, 2n minus 2, 2 cancelled, n by 2 into 2 and this, so n square is the answer. This is the question number 6. Now question number 7. The first term of AP is 5, so a is equal to 5. The last term L, a plus n minus 1 into d, that is given 45. Sum of and the sum of its term is 1000. So firstly we will find n. If sum is given 1000, this means 5 plus n minus 1 into d, 45, n minus 1 into d, 45 minus 5, 40. So Sn is equal to given 1000, n by 2, 2a, n minus 1 into d, 1000. So n by 2, 2 into a is given 5, n minus 1 into d is 40. So n by 2, 10 plus 45, 1000. This means n is equal to 1000 into 2 over 55, you will cut and you can get the answer. Now question number 8, very important beta. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are divisible by 9. In question number 7, find the number of terms, means n you can find and d. Put the value of d. In this way you can get the value of n. In the end this value you will put here and you will get the common difference. Now question number 8, the sum of all natural number between 250 to 1000. This we want to find which are divisible by 9. So in this way, first of all we will find the smallest number divisible by 9. See how to find. 250 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18, 70. 9 7s are 63. 7 is here. So when we will subtract this 7 from 250, the number will be less. Number will be less from 250. But we will take 250 or more than 250. So we will take it 8 times. 7 8s are 72. So 72 minus 70, remainder is 2. So this 2 we will add in 250. This is the smallest number. So APB 252, then this 9 which is divisible, so 9 is the D. D is equal to 9 we will take. When we will add 9 in 250, it will be 261. Now then 270, then 279, so and so on. Now last term we will find. See how to find. 1000 divided by 9. 9 ones are, again 9 ones are, again 9 ones are. So 1 is remainder. This one we will subtract from this and we will get 999, that is divisible by 9, and this is the last term. Now we will use this last term, a plus n minus 1 into d. Then we will substitute the values. A is here 252, n minus 1, d is here 9. So 9 minus 252 divided by 9, n minus 1, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 2 7. So n minus 1, 9 8s are 72, 9 3s are, so n is equal to 84. Now we will find a sum. S 84 is equal to 84 by 2. 2 into A. A is given 252. Now n minus 1 83 into D. What is D here? 9. Now beta, you can solve this. Take product of this, then product of this, add and multiplied by 42, and you will get